Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get AJ Striker's shirt, which is part of a complete outfit. To begin, you'll need to find the main event hub game on the platform. This hub serves as your starting point for all champion-related activities. AJ Striker is one of 4 distinct champions, each with their own unique gear. Getting his full outfit involves a series of steps, so let's dive into the details. The core of acquiring AJ Striker's outfit revolves around collecting 4 special champion crates. These crates are released sequentially, one each week, over a period of 4 weeks. To earn a crate, you must complete specific quests within various participating games across the platform. Each quest is designed to be a fun challenge, leading you closer to your goal of obtaining all 4 necessary crates. To get each weekly crate, you'll need to play specific games that are part of the event. These games will feature unique quests tailored to AJ Striker's team. For example, one week might involve capturing 2 flags in a battle game, while another could require winning a round in a building challenge. Successfully completing these quests will automatically grant you one of AJ Striker's champion crates, bringing you closer to the full set. Once you have diligently collected all 4 of AJ Striker's champion crates, the final step is straightforward. Simply rejoin the central event hub game. Upon entering, the system will recognize that you have completed the full collection. You will then automatically receive the complete AJ Striker outfit, including his distinctive shirt and pants, directly into your inventory, ready for your avatar to wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.